Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, this video is going to address some of the hottest questions nowadays. These questions are something like, what is Bitcoin in straightforward terms? How can a normal person like me and you can get hold of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? And lastly, and the most important one, can you earn something from cryptocurrencies, or is it something out of the reach of an average person? Just to grab your attention, I'm going to answer all these questions and talk about four different ways through which yes, you can earn using Bitcoins. And whatever I'm going to tell you today is backed by a comprehensive experience which I have gained by indulging in these things related to cryptocurrencies since 2016. So let's get started. First things first, what is Bitcoin or cryptocurrency? As far as a normal person like me or you is concerned, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency is just a currency like dollar, yuan, rupee, dinar, etc. As all currencies have different values that are changing each day and are listed by the forex rate or index, similarly, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have different values that depend on number of factors and are changing on daily basis. For us, the only difference between a cryptocurrency or a normal paper currency is that cryptocurrency is a digital currency. You cannot touch it or feel it in your hand. Other than that, there is no difference. Just like normal currency, dollar or rupee, you need a wallet in which you can hold the cryptocurrencies. Another thing to note over here is that you need to have different wallets for different cryptocurrency. Unlike paper money that can be stored in a single wallet, that is, a wallet in your pocket might have some rupees and at the same time some dollars as well. But for cryptocurrencies, this cannot be the case. Well, once again for us, we don't need to worry about maintaining individual wallets for every kind of cryptocurrency we have. There are online services, which I'll mention in a bit, that will manage our cryptocurrencies for us automatically. So I guess that is enough to get us started. Therefore, let us move to the next question, that how can a normal person like you and me can get hold of any cryptocurrency? Well, for that, just like online shopping, there are platforms where people are selling cryptocurrencies. You just need to register yourself on these platforms and purchase the currency. These websites will automatically create unique wallets for you in which your cryptocurrency will reside after you purchase it. To avoid any fraud, there are strict regulations on how to create an account on these websites and how to pay the seller to purchase the cryptocurrency. Normally, payment through credit or debit cards or online bank transfer is allowed. There are numerous websites that offer these services, but I'll mention only those which I personally have used and I have purchased and sold cryptocurrencies on. The links to these websites are given in the description as well. The first website that I ever used to purchase cryptocurrency was Localbitcoins.com. Each country has its own server, so make sure you are accessing the website without any VPN, otherwise you won't be able to proceed and will be blocked permanently. The other website, which is my personal favorite and I still use it, is Ramitanu. Once again, each country has its own servers and you should access this website without any VPN, otherwise you know what will happen. Just to make my point, I once accessed Ramitano through a VPN accidentally and my funds and transactions were blocked for 72 straight hours. It's quite straightforward to create an account on these websites and it's quite safe as well. I've been using Ramitano since 2017 and have never been mugged or lost any amount because of fraud, but that doesn't mean these websites are fraud free. Some registered user will try to trick you and might rob you of your cryptocurrency. For example, a very common way of robbing is that if you want to sell your cryptocurrency, you will open a trade to sell your currency. Someone will apply on your trade. As soon as this happens, the website will hold your cryptocurrency and will give some time to the buyer to send money directly into your bank account. This thing is called escrow service. That is, the website is holding the thing that is being purchased or sold. Once the seller pays you, he will click on the button notifying you and the website that he has paid you. You should open your bank account and check whether you have received the exact amount or not. The trick over here is that the buyer will say he has paid the amount, but you won't receive it. He will push the website to release the bought cryptocurrency, but the website will not release until you confirm you have received the amount. Now the buyer will request you to release the cryptocurrency and will say that he has paid and you'll get the amount in a while. You should never believe such things and should only release the cryptocurrency once you have received the amount. It sounds difficult for the first time, but believe me, it's quite simple and straightforward if you just play by the rules. There are many other services through which you can purchase cryptocurrency. For example, the most famous one is Coinbase and CoinMama. But these services are limited to some countries. Therefore, depending on your country, check whether you can open an account on these websites or not. And if yes, then you may use these websites for purchasing cryptocurrency as well. Now, let us move towards the most important and most asked question, that can you earn through Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? Well, the simple answer to this question is yes, you can. And there are four different ways I'm going to talk about in this video. Before I start, a disclaimer is that earning through Bitcoin is not as simple and as profitable as portrayed by a number of YouTubers and bloggers. Believe me, people have lost more than they have earned through Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. Therefore, you should be very careful no matter which of the method you follow to make an earning. The very first method, and probably the safest one, is buying cryptocurrency through some platform as explained earlier. Wait for its price to go up and sell it on the same platform. Simple. This method will benefit you if the price of the cryptocurrency is going up. However, if the price is going down, this method will be of no use. In fact, you lose your money. Therefore, if the price is going down, you can either wait for it to go up or you can try the next method I'm going to talk about. The next method is called exchange trading. In trading, you can earn whether the price of the cryptocurrency is going up or down. I've used several platforms for this kind of trading, but the most easy to use cryptocurrency exchange according to me is Bitfinex. All you need to do is create an account on it and deposit at least $10 to get started. Deposit can be made directly through credit card, but that is limited to certain countries only. Or you can deposit cryptocurrency on this platform, which you have purchased on some other platform as explained earlier. There are a lot of things to understand while trading on platforms like Bitfinex. But to keep things simple for normal user, I'll discuss only the most straightforward and simple way of trading. So all you need to do is access this website, which is www.bitfinex.com. And on the main page, click on the login button and access your account by providing your username and password. However, if you don't have an account, you can sign up by clicking on this sign up link. So as I already have an account over here, I can click on the login button. So this will be the main page of the Bitfinex trading platform. On this side, you can see all the currencies that are offered by this platform. You can purchase these currencies or sell these currencies. We will be using these things in a bit. But for starting anything, you need to have something in your account. And you can do this thing by going into the wallets over here. So you can come over here, drop it down and click on deposit. So for depositing, you will have different options that what you want to deposit. You can click on, for example, I'm going to be very straightforward and to the point. You can click on Bitcoin and it will open this thing. This one over here is your exchange wallet address. You can send any Bitcoin from any platform at this address and they will end up over here. Over here, this one is your margin trading Bitcoin wallet address. You can send your Bitcoins on this address as well, but they will land in your margin wallet. I will talk about the margin wallet in the third way of earning through Bitcoin. So right now we are going to stick with the exchange wallet. So send whatever bitcoins you want to send at this exchange address, and you will get your bitcoins into the Bitfinex platform in less than 30 minutes. So once there are some bitcoins in your account, you can start trading. How you can trade is you can simply click on, for example, this Bitcoin over here. This is the current price of the Bitcoin at this platform. And if you think the price is going to go up, you don't need to do anything. Just hold on to the Bitcoins you have. But if you think the price is going to go down, it would be safe to move your bitcoins into dollars or any other currency. So right now I am in the Bitcoin dollar pair, which is written over here. So I can move my bitcoins into dollars. How can I do that? If I scroll it a bit down, over here you have the order form. You can place orders for purchasing or selling your bitcoins. To be very simple, select market from this drop down value. What this market will do, it will purchase or sell the bitcoins at market rate. You can see the market rate over here as well. So for example, you want to sell these much bitcoins, you can enter the amount over here and press this exchange sell button. Pressing this button will sell these much bitcoins for the number of dollars shown over here. So you will get these much dollars in your same Bitfinex platform account. So all you have to do now is to wait, and if you think now that the price is going to go up, you can purchase the bitcoins once again. And how you can do that, you know that how many dollars you have, you can click on either this small green button, and clicking on this green button will give you the maximum amount of bitcoins that you can purchase by using all the dollars you have in your account. Or otherwise you can simply type in that what amount of bitcoin you want. For example, you want this much amount, and now you just need to click on exchange buy. You can do this thing with any cryptocurrency you have. This platform lists number of currencies, and to sort these things out, you can select the USD over here, and now it will show only Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency pair with USD only. However, if you want to swap from one cryptocurrency to other cryptocurrency, for example, if you want to directly swap from Bitcoin to Ethereum, then you can select Bitcoin over here and click on this Ethereum pair. Now over here you can see that this chart is for Ethereum Bitcoin. So now whatever you are going to sell or purchase will be between Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this is the simplest way of trading, which is called exchange trading. And you can earn through this thing if you intelligently play. Moving on, let's talk about third way through which you can earn cryptocurrency. The third way is also related to trading, but it is called margin trading. In margin trading, you can borrow money from the trading platform and initiate a trade. Some platforms allow you to borrow as much as 5 times the amount you currently have on that platform, but majority will lend you around 3 times the amount you have on the platform. On Bitfinex, you can start margin trading by clicking on this margin button over here. Now whatever orders you are going to place are going to be margin orders. That is, if you have, for example, $100 in your account, you can place orders for up to $500. Keep in mind that this is the most risky kind of trading, because if thing goes bad, you can lose everything in your account. The platform will automatically close the trade if it is going to cause too much loss, because the platform doesn't want to lose money which they have lent to you. So there is no major difference between exchange trading and margin trading. The only thing is the risk factor and the return. In margin trading, you can get multiple times of more returns than exchange trading, but at the same time, it is much more riskier as well. One thing to note over here, which I forgot to tell you, that for margin trading on Bitfinex, you need to have the cryptocurrency or any amount in your margin wallet. You can swap your cryptocurrencies from exchange to margin wallet by going to wallets over here Now enter the amount of currency which you want to transfer. For example, you want to transfer 3 Litecoins from your exchange wallet to your fund margin wallet. Just select these options, click on transfer, and 3 Litecoins will be transferred from the exchange wallet to margin. Now you can do the margin trading using Litecoin. Now let's move to the last way through which you can earn cryptocurrency. There are online websites that are totally legitimate and are working like casinos. You can log into such websites to play different kind of games and earn cryptocurrency if you win. I've provided a couple of links to such online casinos in the description below, which I have tried personally. These platforms will offer you tiny amount of cryptocurrency every day if you regularly log in. But you can play games to multiply your cryptocurrency within minutes, or you can lose all of it within seconds as well. I would recommend you to try these free platforms with free cryptocurrency that these platforms provide, and not with your hard-earned cryptocurrency. These platforms are legitimate but are highly risky opportunities that can either increase your wealth within minutes or destroy it completely within seconds. So viewers, these are all the ways I have tried and know that they work. So now it's your time to give it a try, and I'll be waiting for your feedback through the comment section below. Thank you and happy earning.